Want your living room to look expensive without spending a fortune? You're in the right place. Hi, I'm Nikki D, a formally trained interior designer, and today I'm sharing 10 simple tricks that'll instantly upgrade your space. These are the exact things designers do to make spaces feel high-end on a budget. And tip number 8, most people skip it, but it changes everything. Let's jump in. Tip 1, paint your walls a soft, neutral, or rich, moody color. Paint is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to transform your living room. If you're going for a soft, elegant look, try a neutral paint color. This works beautifully in contemporary, Scandinavian, and transitional spaces. Need help figuring out your style? Take the quiz linked below. You might think neutral means boring, but it actually creates the perfect foundation to highlight bold furniture and colorful accents. Still not feeling the flat, soft look? Add depth and texture with an organic lime wash finish for a more elevated feel. For a bold, dramatic vibe, go moody. Think olive green, burgundy, rich brown, or even black. The color drench trend takes it to the next level, painting the walls, trim, ceiling, and doors the same deep tone. It's bold and beautiful, but definitely a commitment. If that's not your thing, it's not mine either, you can still just paint the walls and keep the ceiling and trim a warm white for contrast. This combo makes neutral furniture pop and instantly gives your space that elevated designer look. Take this olive-toned room with soft green pillows and coordinating artwork, or this one with ivory boucle sofas, dark walls, and warm wood furniture. Both feel bold, timeless, and expensive. While we're on the subject of paint, today's sponsor is Samplize, and I just got new samples in the mail. I'm actually going to unbox them with you. Choosing the wrong paint color is one of the easiest ways to mess up your design. That's why I love Samplize. Each sample has 2 coats of paint already applied, so you get a true representation of the color without the mess. You can move them around your room throughout the day to see how the color changes in different lighting. They're peel and stick, but I recommend leaving them as is and placing whiteboards or paper behind them to view the color more accurately. I ordered a few shades that I'm considering for my kitchen cabinets, including Classic Gray, which is currently on my walls, so you'll get a real visual of how the sample compares to the actual paint. I'll share my thoughts and process for choosing the color in a future video, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Here's a visual of the 4 colors that I got. I got Classic Gray and Fossil that are from Benjamin Moore, and I got Origami White and Shoji White that are from Sherwin-Williams. My walls are Classic Gray, which is what this swatch is, which you can see matches identically. I am checking to see how Origami White compares, which is the Sherwin-Williams version. If we look at it next to the Classic Gray, I think it's going to be a little bit more white. I will actually put white boards behind it because then that's how you really can see the true color of the paint. I'm also going to look at Fossil and Shoji White, but I think that they have a little bit more yellow than what I'm going for. So that's what I'm looking at. Tip 2. Choose a color palette and repeat it in accents and decor. Once your walls are set, you want to reinforce the look with a cohesive color palette. This simple design hack will make your living room feel high-end, intentional, and professionally styled. Want to know a great designer trick? Start with a multicolored piece like artwork, a rug, or even a pillow, and pull your palette from there. Then repeat those colors throughout your space in furniture, pillows, throws, florals, and decorative accents. In this first example, earthy neutrals like tan, olive, and ivory are pulled from the wall art and repeated in the plants, sofa, and accent chairs. That repetition adds flow and visual interest without feeling too matchy-matchy. Here's another example. In this space, rust orange is pulled from the artwork, then repeated in the pillows, chairs, and vases. Even the marble coffee table ties in with the subtle rust veining. You can also keep it simple with a neutral base layered with 1 or 2 accent colors. In this living room, ivory and beige form the foundation while soft brown is repeated in the pillows and accent chairs. It feels polished, grounded, and cohesive. A well-chosen color palette instantly elevates your space even if the entire design is budget-friendly. Tip 3. Choose neutral curtains and hang them high and wide. This one change can instantly make your ceilings feel taller and your entire living room look more spacious. To get that high-end designer look, dress your windows with full curtain panels in luxe fabrics like velvet, linen, or sheers. Look for styles with hidden tabs or pinch pleats, with or without rings, for a tailored finish that'll elevate your space. Want to create drama? Designers are using extra wide track curtains to cover entire walls or connect multiple windows. This look can get expensive, but here's a trick. Use a simple track rail from IKEA with affordable curtain panels. If you know how to sew, join 2 panels together at the edges for that rich custom fullness. This technique isn't just for windows. Designers also use full curtains behind sofas to create a dramatic focal point, or even divide open spaces into separate zones. It's flexible, elegant, and totally achievable on a budget. Tip 4. Use pillows in designer fabrics like velvet, boucle, or linen. This is one of the easiest and most budget-friendly ways to add texture, depth, and a designer touch to your living room. If you're still using the pillows that came with your sofa, now's the time to switch them out for something that looks intentional and styled. Mix pillows in novelty fabrics, prints, and shapes to instantly elevate your space. Velvet pillows are always a go-to for adding a luxe feel, but don't stop there. Look for details like tassels, fringe, piping, or contrast welting for that high-end finish. In more contemporary spaces, go bold with geometric patterns, color blocking, or abstract designs. And don't forget sculptural shapes. Ball pillows in boucle, velvet, fur, or even silk feel custom and unexpected. Designers also love using standout pillows like a graphic print or embroidered design as a jumping off point for the room's color palette. Just one accent pillow can inspire your entire room. Tip 5. Use a matching set of table lamps, floor lamps, or task lamps on either side of the sofa. Lighting is one of the most underrated ways to elevate your space, and this trick is a designer favorite. Using a matching pair of lamps on either side of the sofa adds balance, ambiance, and a custom-styled look without a major investment. For a high-end feel, go for table lamps with interesting shapes, textures, or finishes. Sculptural designs do double duty. They look great and add function. Gold or brass lamps bring warmth to neutral rooms, while colored ceramic bases or patterned shades can create a bold focal point. Take a look at these examples. One space uses soft organic shaped lamps for a calm monochromatic design. The other features bold Kelly green table lamps that tie into the wallpaper panel, adding contrast and visual interest. If table lamps won't work for your layout, use floor lamps instead. Designers love placing them beside or just behind the sofa. Try arc floor lamps, adjustable task lamps, or tall cylinders for a modern edge. In larger rooms with double sofas, place one on each end to create symmetry and balance. Layered lighting is a designer must, and this one detail can take your space from basic to polished in an instant. Loving these tips so far? Make sure you give the video a like to let me know. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every Sunday. Tip 6. Add coffee table books with luxe covers. Coffee table books are stylish, functional, and the foundation for chic designer level styling. Look at any well-designed living room and you'll likely see a few stacked books that tie back to the overall theme or color palette. These books can be black, white, neutral, or bring in a pop of color. Right now, maroon is having a moment, and in this example, the coffee table books repeat the deep red tones found throughout the space. In this design, green and blue books beautifully pull in the colors from the wallpaper panel. A nature-inspired living room might include titles like Great Escapes Europe or books featuring scenic landscapes to connect with the theme. Choose books you genuinely enjoy, but also think about how the cover colors work with your decor. If the dust jacket doesn't match your palette, here's a trick. Take it off. Most hardcover books have a neutral spine underneath. Or try this trick. Turn the books around so the inside pages face out instead of the spine. This is instantly going to add texture and cohesion. Yes, coffee table books are meant to be read, but they're also one of the most affordable ways to style your home like a designer. For a full list of my favorite coffee table books that you'll be inspired by and learn from, watch this video. Tip 7. Mix materials. Fabric, wood, stone, metal, glass for depth. One of the key characteristics of a high-end living room is a thoughtful mix of materials. Combining textures like fabric, wood, stone, metal, and glass creates a layered, curated look that feels expensive and intentional. Designers love to play with materiality in furniture and decor. Take this space. It has sculptural chairs with novelty upholstery and leather seats paired with a channel tufted sofa that's wrapped with a wood strap detailing. It's elevated and unexpected. This designer moment also features an organic stacked wood coffee table with a glass top. It adds contrast and a visual lightness. The media cabinet in the back has a solid wood frame and cross-woven suede panel doors. It's elegant, textural, and totally original. Here's another great example. This is an updated take on the drum coffee table. It has an asymmetrical concrete top that's paired with a warm oak wood base. It's the contrast of the two materials that instantly make it feel luxurious. When shopping for your space, look for pieces that combine materials like wood and leather or stone and brass. These kinds of combinations not only add depth and style, but they often become the conversation starters in your room. Tip 8. Add architectural detail or peel and stick molding. This one is a total game changer and it's often overlooked. Even adding molding to just one wall will upgrade your entire living room. You might think this detail only works in traditional spaces, but that's not the case. Architectural molding adds depth, character, and a tailored feel, whether your style is classic, modern, or somewhere in between. If you or your partner are handy, consider installing shaker-style paneling for dimension and structure. This look is especially popular with the color-drenched trend, adding visual interest and texture to the dark, moody walls. Another great option is picture frame molding, which can beautifully highlight a mirror, wallpaper panel, or oversized art. Not handy? No problem. You can find peel and stick molding kits on Amazon. They come pre-cut, ready to paint, and are perfect for a weekend DIY project. I link my favorites in the description below. If you have always loved the look of classic architectural details, this is a great way to bring it into your space without a contractor. And if it's not your style, feel free to skip it. This one's all about what works best for your vibe. Tip 9. Display a tall vase with branches or oversized greenery. Want an instant designer vibe? Bring in height, movement, and organic texture with a tall vase or oversized greenery. It's a simple but powerful styling trick that makes your living room feel more elevated and thoughtfully designed. Start with one large vase filled with faux or real stems. Florals, branches, or greenery all work. You can place it on your coffee table, console, or media cabinet. Combine it with candles, decorative objects, or a book stack to create a styled moment. Try mixing heights and textures. One tall vase with greenery and one smaller one with a pop of color or interesting shape. If you have more room in your budget, add an oversized planter with a faux tree like olive, eucalyptus, or fiddle leaf fig. It brings the outdoors in and makes a bold statement without needing a lot of pieces. Designers often use greenery to fill empty corners, balance out a layout, or add softness near windows. You can also double up on plants in one corner using different heights for a lush, layered look. Tip 10. Add a curved or sculptural furniture piece. I saved the best for last because this design secret is one of my absolute favorites. Adding just one curved or sculptural furniture piece can completely elevate your living room and make it look luxe, intentional, and expensive. This could be a chair with a unique silhouette that feels like functional art, or an organic stack coffee table that instantly becomes the focal point of your space. Curved sofas are also having a major moment. If it's in the budget, one of these statement pieces will dramatically upgrade the look and feel of your room. In larger spaces, try an armless modular sofa for a high-end designer look that still feels cozy and livable. And the good news, there are plenty of affordable sculptural pieces out there. I linked a few of my favorite budget-friendly options below if you want to check them out. Even just one well-chosen piece can be the thing that takes your space from basic to beautifully designed. Quick reminder, before you buy any furniture, always measure and create a floor plan. Trust me, you'll thank me later when everything fits just right. I linked a free PDF in the description with step-by-step instructions to help you do it. And that, my friends, is a wrap. You now have 10 creative ways to make your living room look expensive without breaking the bank. I hope these tips help you feel more confident tackling your next design project. If you love these ideas, be sure to check out Design a Home 101 linked below. It's my step-by-step course that walks you through everything, from finding your style to adding those finishing designer touches that make your home feel complete. Click the link to sign up and get started. Now I want to hear from you. Which tip was your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. And if you try any of these ideas, tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see the beautiful space you create. If this video helped you, make sure you give it a like, share it with a friend, and hit subscribe so that you never miss a designer tip. And for even more design hacks, watch this video next. Love you all so much, and I'll see you next Sunday. Until then, happy designing. Ciao.